Hello, sweet love, and welcome to this guided meditation. Things are a lot right now, and please know that I know you're doing the best you can. You are showing up for yourself right now, sweet love, and that is something I applaud you for. If you haven't done so yet, I invite you to find a comfortable position. Seated or perhaps lying down. And then first start having a look around in your space. What is with you here? What can you notice? See if you can find 3 things in your space that are alive with you today. Perhaps a plant, an animal, the flicker of a candle, the air touching your skin. And if it feels safe and soothing for you, you can softly close your eyes, otherwise keeping a gentle gaze on the point in front of you. I invite you to find a gentle in and out breath through your nose, if possible. Allowing the belly to flow outwards on your inhale and inwards towards the back of the spine on your exhale. Seeing if perhaps you feel like deepening the breath with every in and outflow. And while you gently soothe your breath, I invite you to become aware of the body parts that are in contact with the surface beneath you. Noticing all the touch points between your body and the earth. Inviting yourself to fully arrive in this space. Feeling all parts of you melting into the surface. Softening, feeling carried and held. Let's see if we can gently soothe and steady our breath here together. I will guide you through this restorative breathing pattern, also known as the 4-7-8 breath. We will ease in with a 3-5-6 breath, meaning that we will breathe in for 3 seconds, hold for 5, and exhale for 6 seconds. From this place, expanding our breath towards the 4-7-8. An invitation to follow the breath and tune in to this peaceful rhythm. After your next exhale, we will start our breath together. Now gently breathing all the air out. And then inhale 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now gently taking one more deep breath in, filling up your belly, your rib cage, your lungs and chest. Hold the breath, embracing this fullness, this expansion. And then exhale, unwind, and settle into a gentle in and out breath that feels nourishing to you right now. And notice the possible return of repose inside you. And whilst you are in this space, I invite you to visualize, if possible for you, a beautiful babbling creek or little river in nature. Observing the water's flow, watching the little bubbles come to the surface and disappear once more. Perhaps you notice some life in this water. Fish, plants, a butterfly fluttering over the water, a bird bathing itself on a rock, a leaf floating by, carried by the stream. Invite your mind to settle on this image. The beautiful body of water, shimmering where the sunlight kisses its surface. What else do you see around here? What else can you notice? Continue to breathe in and out deeply, attuning to its continuous flow. And invite your inner waters to embody this stillness and movement, the softness and connectedness to the earth and rocks, gently immersing yourself, leaning into the ever-changing nature of this element, a softness washing over you. And continue to breathe in and out deeply. And now tenderly shift your awareness to your senses. Notice the smell in your space, maybe your own scent. And notice the sound of my voice and the music. And notice the taste inside your mouth. Is it bitter, sweet, salty, sour, earthy maybe? Now I invite you to softly raise your preferred hand and middle finger towards the center of where your hairline starts. And from there, with this middle finger tracing down towards the point between your eyebrows. And slowly tracing all the way down towards the tip of your nose. Merging with your breath here on an inhale, tracing your finger back up towards the center on the top of your forehead. And exhaling down towards the tip of your nose. Continuing at your own pace, witnessing all the little movements of your finger on your skin. Now gently releasing the hand and taking 3 more soothing breaths in and out. Softening your forehead, your jaw, your chest, your heart, your belly. And whenever you feel ready, returning to your physical space, fluttering your eyes back open And notice again 3 things that you can see with your eyes. Perhaps your own body or me on the screen. A book. Maybe something outside the window. Now, if you're still lying down, take all the time you need to find some gentle movement here and finding your way up whenever you're ready. And if it feels right for you, on your next inhale, you can bring your hands and arms all the way up above your head. And exhaling, bring your hands to the forehead for clear and loving thoughts. Hands to the heart for clear and loving intentions. And hands to the mouth for clear and loving communication. Sending out wonderful energy to all beings everywhere. Namaste, sweet love. If you enjoyed this soothing meditation, let us know through pressing the like button. I invite you to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment and share this practice with a loved one. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life. Until next time, sweet love.